budgeting, bills, taxes, saving for retirement, getting out of debt. Feeling stressed yet? So, you aren't alone. Studies have shown that more than 65% of the global workforce regularly feels financial stress, and these numbers continue to rise in a post-pandemic world. But more money won't cure mental distress. Not completely, anyway. Our financial well-being is made up of more than just dollars and cents. Think of your financial well-being as split into two parts. On one side, we have net worth, your objective reality, or the cold, hard facts of what's there and what isn't. That number doesn't matter as much as your ability to answer these questions. Can you meet your present financial obligations? Could you adapt your spending in the event of an emergency? If you continue on this path, will you be able to achieve your future financial goals? On the other hand, there's the subjective side of financial well-being. How you feel about your finances and how your finances make you feel about yourself. It's made up of questions like, what is your relationship to money? What are the core beliefs, feelings, and attitudes you have about money? What role does money play in your life? These two parts work together to make up our financial well-being, and together they greatly impact our mental health. As we explore the relationship between the two, remember, more money doesn't automatically fix anyone's relationship to it. High net worth people can feel unworthy, and on the other hand, just as many folks can feel totally fulfilled with fewer resources. It's all part of what makes financial well-being so complicated, but so important to understand. Remember, you don't have to take a big vacation to take a break. Instead, prioritize rest and self-care in ways that are accessible for you and your financial reality, including your needs, expenses, and goals.